Hi everyone. In this video, we will look into the next customization that GitHub Copilot CLI provides, which is hooks. There are multiple strategic points in any agent's workflow, like start and end of the agent session, or before and after entering the prompt, or before and after the tool call. Hooks give you an option to plug in your custom shell commands at these strategic points. There are these use cases that we can think of for using hooks. First is like approve or deny any tool executions, add secret scanning to prevent credential leak, and implement the audit logging for compliance. So for example, when your agent session is going on, there will be steps that where you can plug in your hooks just before or just after your tool call, and then depending on your commands, you can either approve or deny those tool calls. Or for example, the secret scanning, like for example, you are using GitHub Copilot to commit certain things on GitHub. In that case, like after your agent loop is complete, you can plug in the script to check like whether you are by chance committing some secrets to the GitHub that you want to avoid. So these are like plug and play kind of things which you can introduce in at various steps of your hooks. So by default, the location of writing these hooks is .github. Inside your .github folder, you have to create a hooks folder, and inside that you can write like let's say hooks.json or any name .json file. Now we will take a look at what are these types of hooks, or what are these plugin points that I am talking about. So first is session start. So this gets triggered right when a new session begins or the existing one resumes. And using this, you can I mean you can make a use of session start hook for initializing the environments, or validating the project states, or setting up some temporary resources. Second one is session end. So this gets triggered right when the session is finished or closed, and you can use this for cleaning up the temporary files, generating session reports, or archiving logs. Third one is user prompt submitted, and this gets triggered immediately after you type a prompt and hit enter. You can use this for logging requests for auditing and tracking how the team uses the AI. Pre-tool use, this is critical, and basically this will get triggered just before your copilot runs a tool. This will act as a gatekeeper. So basically you can use this for approving or denying certain commands, or blocking dangerous code, or enforcing security. Post tool use, this gets triggered right after a tool finishes, and you can use this for tracking the success or failure stats of your tool calls, monitoring the performance. So for example, you can monitor the latency of the tool calls, etc., using this. Or you can also use this for sending the alerts. Agent stop, when the main AI agent finishes its response to you, this agent stop hook will get triggered, and you can use this for finalizing logs for that specific interaction. Sub agent stop, when a background sub agent finishes its task, this sub agent stop hook will get triggered, and you can use this for handling the data passed back from sub task before the main agent sees it. Error occurred, this will get triggered when anything goes wrong during your execution. and you can use this for debugging, error reporting, and sending the failure notifications. For more details on these hooks and its complete reference for the configurations, refer to the link attached in the video description. Now we will see how this hooks.json file will look like and what is its format. So as you can see, you have to mention a version number in this file, and then this hooks JSON object will start, and inside that, for each type of hook you can have multiple JSON objects inside that. So this is particularly an array. So in this example, we want to let's say define a hook at the session start level, and then these are the various options that you can have. The type is always command. If you are using Unix, then you have to give the bash. You can give the bash script over here, or if you are using the Windows, you can give the PowerShell script over here. This is the working directory cwd, and here you can give the path for the commands. env, you can have the additional environment variables that you need for execution of the scripts, and then the timeout seconds. So this is the max execution time for which the hook will be executing before timing out. So in next video we will see a simple example of this hooks.